Hello guys, I'm going to clean the headlight. You see they have a heavy oxidation, and yes, I'm going to clean them. This is before, and so after I'm done cleaning them, and the car will have a different look, just like putting a makeup on. That's basically what I'm doing. So what do I need, or what do you need? You can do this yourself. You don't need to go ahead and buy a different headlight set, because they cost a lot of money. I got this many years ago, and I think this is the 4th time I'm using it. So Miguel, it's pretty good. So it comes with it has the the cleaning solution, and then this is the coat you apply after this. This is 1, 2, and it comes with the pads. You can use it by hand, and I've already had this machine. Okay, so I've already had this, so you don't need it. But if you have one, then it makes the job faster. Okay, so that's all we need so far. Okay, so this is it, and I apply the solution, and I'm going to go around this several times. Well, 3 times, at least 3 times. Spend at least 2 minutes doing it each time. Okay, so yeah, just like this. And also for safety, so you won't scratch the perimeter of the car, the paint. So it's best to tape it off. You see there's a difference. There's a difference already. Yeah, it's a lot cleaner. So that's why it's good to do it 3 times. So this is it for now. I'm not going to show you how to do it second and third time. Okay, so I just done doing both headlights. Now I could have gone further in cleaning these, but it makes no sense because that's a 2009, and it's for sale. So now here's the magic. So I remove enough oxidation, so now I have to apply the clear coat, and that's where the magic is going to happen. Okay, plus I have to do it carefully too. So look at that. Ah, see that? So this is the first coat. So I'm going to do the other headlight, the second headlight, and look at the magic. You see? Look at that. This is just the first coat. It dries fast because it's 105 degrees. Yes, 105. So let me go ahead and do the other side again. Right, second coat for this one. Same one. You see? It is getting a lot better. Now I'm going to do the third coat for on the other one, third and final. All right, so this is the final coat. Okay, and this is empty as well, so no more. Look at that. Perfect. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and this is after. Now this one here, it's my mistake. I didn't spend enough time sanding it, so it looks a little bit fuzzy, but compared to what it was before, 100% better. Now This is the left one, the driver's side. I spent more time because that was the first one. So it is, I would say it's 80%. Now, could I have done a better job? Could I have done more? Yes, but again, this is perfect. The car looks a lot better. See, it has makeup on now. Okay, thanks for watching. Now you know, you don't need to buy new headlights. You just go ahead and clean them yourself. Okay, another look. Perfect. Thank you. Thanks for watching.